Hello, everybody, and welcome. This is John Bays. I'm here today doing an online tutorial, and today we're going to be discussing our feasibility to permit project management schedules. So there's going to be a number of videos in the series. Today we're going to be talking about the overall structure, and we'll get into a couple of the tools, but be looking for subsequent videos to give you more details on each line item. Okay, so the overall structure of the schedule, there are two project management schedules. The first, the commercial one is notated with yellow. Okay, so yellow is would note that this one is the commercial one. When it comes to the residential schedule, orange. So orange is the residential schedule. So hard to miss there. The schedules are roughly, for the residential, we have about 60 days from removal of feasibility, about 20 days for feasibility. That's our standard timeline, 20 days and 60 to obtain a permit. And then in the commercial schedule, hop back over here. Oh, sorry, that's the construction management schedule, the commercial schedule, and we're looking at closer to about 8 months. 8.5 to 9 months is the standard timeline. So 60-day feasibility. Want to see a 180-day close with a permit in hand in 9 months. So no reason why that can't happen fairly quickly. So other than that, the structure is lined out, very simple. We have the primary column. That gives us our navigation. It gives us our ability to collapse, expand. If we go up here, right-click and we hit collapse, we see that all of the columns are collapsed. When we expand that, we're going to get the sections of the schedule. So the sections we have currently are Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3, and Phase 4. Phase 1 is our heavy feasibility phase. Phase 2 is our verification of the information found in Phase 1. Phase 3 is the construction document phase, so that's where we are actually designing based on the reports and information and all the stuff we received, the construction documents. And then Phase 4, our longest phase, but the least productive, is the permitting phase, where it's sitting on the desk or sitting at the county waiting to get reviewed. County or city, okay? So up top, we have the description column. So just to give you an example, the description column tells us this is the task here. This is the additional description. So this gives us a little bit more information as it relates to the task over here. So gives us more information, okay? We then have the assigned to. This is critical. The person listed in this column is the person that gets the notifications, information related to that task. So that's the person responsible for that particular task, okay? So the assigned to have some critical functions on automatic notifications and things of that nature that help make this tool very powerful. So it's a really critical tool. We have the phone number. A Smartsheet does not allow for us to store phone numbers, so we have to list that out separately. We then have our percentage complete for the task, the anticipated completion date column, which you'll see lit up every time we start a new project. Start date and end date. The task reminder. So that column is the dated reminder that tells us when a task is coming due. Percentage done is over here. There's a percentage the task is complete. The checkbox that we check off to say it is complete or not. Flag if we have to note any assistance or help that's needed, or possibly there's something that has been noted on the file that is urgent and critical. The priority. So this task is actually set by the project manager, and this notifies us if we have a task that it becomes a priority, and if it does, then that we need to address right away. So that tells us we have an urgent task there. Some icons that give us information on the percentage complete. The status balls here show up as blue, red, green. Star, that's person, job well done. That's used by the construction manager. And then our predecessor helps connect our schedule up and makes us, when we change a date, it updates the rest of the dates. So that's the overall structure of the project management tracker. Thank you.